Benefits of garlic. More details of what garlic does for various organs in the human body. If garlic had been created in the laboratory instead of by nature, it would probably be a high-priced prescription drug. A common saying everyone knows. That's just how good it really is. Garlic is one of the oldest known medicinal plants, and it's been credited with fighting heart disease, lowering blood pressure, and helping to fight off colds. Most of the modern research on garlic has concentrated on its ability to lower cholesterol and blood pressure, as well as offering protection against strokes and heart disease. The following is a more detailed account of what garlic does for various organs in the human body. 1. Protection of the liver from toxic substances. Garlic activates the cells of the liver and thereby protects the liver from toxic substances. It also rejuvenates a tired liver and promotes its normal functioning. 2. Improvement of blood circulation. When allicin is heated in the process of cooking the garlic, a substance called ajoene is formed. This substance has a suppressive effect on thrombi and blood cholesterol, so it is effective for the treatment of atherosclerosis and thrombosis. 3. Regulation of stomach function. Allicin promotes the secretion of gastric juices by stimulating the mucous membranes of the stomach. Furthermore, it combines with proteins which can reduce excessive activity of the stomach. In addition, allicin regulates the functioning of the stomach by activating the large intestine and thus cure both constipation and diarrhea. 4. Promotion of insulin secretion. Allicin combines with vitamin B1, thiamine, to activate the function of the pancreas and thus promote insulin secretion. As a result, garlic is effective in the prevention or the cure of diabetes that is caused by a lack of insulin or by the defective functioning of the pancreas. 5. Normalization of blood circulation. Because it stimulates the brain nerves and controls the workings of the heart at a constant level, garlic stabilizes blood pressure. It is also capable of dissolving cholesterol and fatty substances inside blood vessels and therefore refreshing cells and the blood inside the body. Today, there is worldwide scientific evidence to support the many health benefits that can be derived from the daily consumption of garlic. Extensive tests on humans have concluded that a regular intake of garlic can lower total cholesterol but raise the good type HDL cholesterol, produce more natural killer cells in the blood that will tackle infections and tumors, lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of blood clots that are responsible for most heart attacks and strokes, destroy infection-causing viruses and bacteria. Garlic is classified as both an herb and a vegetable. It can be found in products ranging from ice cream to dry rubs. The versatility of this herb is seemingly endless. I hope this information helps. For more health tips, click the links below to discover some more hints and resources, and good luck. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.